Hello guys. So if you're looking to measure distance in Google Maps, so if that's the case, we have come to the right place. Because today in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. Now firstly, open your browser, then click on Google Maps. Then just simply go to a location where you want to measure. So I want to measure the highway over here. Now I want to go to this particular location from this particular location over here. In order to measure that, what you can do is, firstly I'm just simply going to switch it to satellite mode so I can see better. So click on it and change it to satellite mode. So now in order to find the distance, all you have to do is simply right click on the location, and over there this panel will appear, and below that you will find measure distance. So click on that. Now as you can see, a pen has been created over here. So now all you have to do is just simply go to that location where you want to start the measuring from. So it is right over here. So click on this place over here. Now over here we will be able to find the rough estimate of how much distance that you have to travel. As you can see right over here, which is going to show you meters and feet. Now as you can see, this is how you can measure the distance of two locations. Now this tool can be used in another way, so let me show you. Now let's say for example I want to measure the height, width or the square feet of this particular park over here. So what you can do is just simply click on the edge of the park, click on measure distance. Now click on the other side and you will find the breadth. Then just simply click on it and remove the point. Click on over here and on start, and then you will have the height. Then remove this, or if you want the entire square feet, just don't remove it. Then click on all the four corners. Firstly, just simply remove them all. Then click on the first corner, second, third, fourth and fifth, and that will give you a total area of the entire place. Now you can calculate this into acres if you want to. So that's one also useful way to use distance in Google Maps. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.